reception and welcome to a brand new week of maths. Now last week we did lots of work on addition, so that is adding up. And we learned our symbol, add, and we knew that when we add the number gets bigger. Now this week we're going to move on to subtracting. Now subtracting is different to adding because when we subtract the number gets smaller. And this is how we write subtract, just a straight line across. And when we subtract or take away, take things away so it gets smaller. So for example, if I have 5 fingers and I take 1 finger away, now I have 4 fingers. So for today's maths, we're not going to go into our books today. We're just going to have some practical activities at home, practicing taking away. We're going to use objects. So I'm at school today, so I have lots of objects that I can use. And I've seen some beautiful photos sent in last week of people counting using sweets, counting using their construction, counting using fruit. So again, just find whatever you can in your house and use the objects to help you take away. So if you could make yourself some number cards, or you might have numbers already that you can use from 1 all the way to 10. We're going to put them face down like we did with the addition. And we're going to pick 2 number cards to practice making a subtraction on our boards. Now, with subtraction, we've just got to make sure that we put the biggest number first. So we've got the biggest number and then we take away the smaller number because we can't take a bigger number away from a smaller number. So my 2 numbers are 4 and 2. So I know the bigger number is 4. So I'm going to write 4, take away 2. And we can remember what equals looks like. 2 lines. Then we're going to have a go at finding the answer using our objects. So let's put 4 objects down because that's our first number. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to take 2 of the objects away. 1, put it back, 2. And we see how many we're left with. How many blocks do I have? That's right, 2. So I can put my answer at the end. 4 take away 2 equals 2. Let's do one more together and then you can set up doing it yourself. So this time my numbers are, got a big one, 9 and 5. So which number do we think is bigger there, 9 or 5? 9, that's right. So I'm going to do 9, take away 5. Let's write that on my board. 9, take away 5 equals, so this time I've got to get 9 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then let's just have a little reminder. 5 objects away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to find the answer, we count how many we've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is my answer. So, different concept today because we have got used to adding up last week. So let's have a practice of subtraction today, and don't forget to send photos in to me. I'm sorry for the confusion for some people last week that thought they all had to send photos to me. Do carry on sending to your own class teachers. We all know that the people that are sending in the photos, so thank you for the people that are. And if anybody that hasn't managed to send in yet, if you could please send in to your teachers so we can see all the lovely hard work you're doing at home, it would mean a lot to us. Thank you very much and good luck.